Are you struggling to generate traffic? Would you like me to show you a proven way to generate unlimited free traffic to your website or any other products that you're promoting? Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get unlimited free traffic from a free traffic source that works. That's right. It's a proven method to get free traffic, and one of the top internet marketers recommended this to me. And first, in the beginning, I didn't even believe it. I thought this is not going to work because I'm completely against these type of traffic sources. So when I decided to test this out, it actually worked. And he was already producing leads and subscribers and showing all these results. I didn't believe in him at the beginning, but then I had to believe him because he was very, very persistent in sharing his results, and he kept on just sharing the results and results and results. So I decided to give it a test drive, and when I gave it a test drive, yes, it works. Okay, but because it's a free traffic, it's going to take you time to get those type of results that you're expecting. Okay, it builds up. Free traffic is something that builds up. Okay, so here it is. It's a traffic source that you can join for free. Okay, when you join this free traffic source, you're going to see a couple of ways to generate traffic. One of the ways to generate traffic is spotlight ads. Okay, you can see here spotlight ads. All right, and then you can see here there are some banners down here. When people click on these banners, you're going to get traffic. Okay, you can see here current CTR is 3.50, recipients counted 14 million, and clicks generated 498,000. Okay, I'm just going to show you some of my results as well. All right, so if you go onto the left hand side, you could see here how you can generate traffic using this platform. Okay, so you can see here the back end ads, spotlight ads, top members ads, login ads. These are the way for you to generate traffic. Now, I haven't tested these out yet. Okay, I'm a free member on this platform, so that's why I haven't tested this out. What I have tested is this part here. It's called mailing send mail. Okay, so basically you actually write an email and you press the send button, and this platform will send out that email to their subscribers based on the credits you have. Okay, now you can generate these free credits. Okay, you just have to serve a couple of websites for a couple of seconds and you're going to generate these free credits. I highly recommend you get to at least 1,000 credits, because when you get to 1,000 credits, you can send an email out to 1,000 members, and that's what I do. So I'm going to show you quickly how it's all done. So if you just come here, click on send email. All right, now remember, you can generate traffic to your website, to your blog, to your affiliate link, anything you're promoting, it works. Okay, now I can't send an email out today because I just sent one out 3 days ago. If you're a free member, you could only send out an email every 5 days. Okay, so you will be able to see here that on the 17th of August, I sent out an email. It's only been 2 days. Okay, an email went out to 1,005 members. Okay, and so if you're a free member, you can send out an email. So I can't write any email right now as well, just because I've already sent out an email. But let me show you the history down here. Okay, so this is traffic. Okay, now remember one thing, when it comes to traffic, okay, if it's a free traffic source, you have to be persistent. Okay, you have to put in some work, put in some time. Okay, you can't just do it 1 or 2 times and expect to get results. If it's paid traffic, it depends on what traffic source you're using. You can expect to get instant results, but that will depend on a lot of factors like, do you have any kind of experience? Are you really using a top tier traffic source, etc. Okay, now when it comes to free traffic source, you have to keep on doing it, and the best way to do free traffic is using different platforms of free traffic sources. Don't stick to one traffic source. Okay, if you want to actually add up all the traffic and start getting like hundreds of clicks every single day to your affiliate offers, you have to use different platforms and different traffic sources at the same time. Don't just stick to one. So let me come here and let me show you the history. So you could see here, I sent out this email just 2 days ago already got 41 opens and 17 clicks. Okay, so you could see here one of the emails that I sent out was on the 29th of July, got 71 clicks. Now remember, this is free traffic we're talking about here. Okay, I didn't pay a single dime to get this free traffic. The only thing I do is I serve a couple of websites, okay, and make sure I get my credit to 1,000 so I can send out an email to 1,000 members. That's all I do, and that email will go out. So you could see here, email sent out, look at this one, 500 to 500 people, 41 clicks, sent out to 1,000 people, 15 clicks, and the highest one has been the 71 clicks one. Okay, now I'm going to give it a test drive to get up to 2,000 credits and send out an email to 2,000 members and see how it goes. So if you want to generate free traffic, it's very simple. Come here, go to the website, create your free account. Once you have created your free account, okay, you're going to start receiving emails. Now make sure you use an email which is a spare email, like not your default email, because you're going to get a lot of emails from this traffic source. Okay, people wanting to get traffic, so you don't want to use a default email. You want to use a spare email that there's no use. Okay, then make sure you go into that email every single day, click on those emails, click on the yellow button that you're going to see in your email account, and start surfing some websites. Okay, about 20-minute work can get you up to 1,000 credits. Once you get to 1,000 credits, you want to come here, send the email out to 1,000 members promoting your offer. All right, and you want to do this, keep on doing it until you start generating leads and subscribers. And you can then test out different emails, you can test out different landing pages, different affiliate offers as well. Okay, so you could see here that I have been testing out different subject lines as well, and so far this subject line has worked out very, very good for me. That's why you could see the clicks and you could see the open rate compared to the other one. Yes, there has been times where it was a very low open rate and low click-through rate, probably because of the timing, but overall this subject line has done very, very good for me. All right, so I highly recommend you start using it. It's a free traffic source. Okay, a free traffic source to generate traffic. If you don't know, that traffic is very, very important when it comes to making money online, whether you're making money online using blogs, articles, affiliate marketing, promoting a product, selling your own product, or selling your own offer, anything like that, or you're doing drop shipping, etc. Whatever it is, you need to generate traffic, and if you can become an expert in traffic generation, you have solved 80% of your problems. So go ahead, start using this traffic source. Okay, it's absolutely free. Joining this traffic source, go ahead, join this free traffic source and start using it. Start generating traffic for your affiliate links, for your websites, for your blogs, whatever you're promoting out there, and be persistent with and start using this traffic source with a positive thought and a positive mindset, because positivity attracts positivity. That's how it works. Okay, so keep on doing it until you start seeing some great results.